Okay, I'm going to show you how to install a rib nut. So in the truck, in the back panel, you're going to see 3 dotted cutouts in the panel. You're going to take a box knife and you're going to cut out the pad. There's just a padding, and basically the padding is going to have these like dotted lines going around in the padding, and you're just going to cut those out. There'll be 3 of them. When you cut it out, you're going to see a hex hole in there, which is going to accept this rib nut. Being that I don't have a hex hole, we're going to use this round one for demonstration purposes. But the only difference between these two is that this is a hex hole and this will be a round hole. Tools you're going to need is this insertion tool. You're going to need a 7/8 wrench and an 11/16 socket. And not a bad idea to have a 6mm Allen wrench as well. This thing is basically going to accept the nut. You're going to just thread it on here like so. And you're going to see on this thing, let me back that up for a minute. As you tighten this thing, it's going to pull back. You can see it getting bigger. And that's going to expand this nut. So when you install it, you're going to want to make sure that thing's in all the way. And you're going to tighten this thing up and then back it off just a little bit so there's a little bit of play in it. That's how it's going to be set up. We're going to hold the back side of it with a wrench, and then we're going to take our ratchet and we're going to tighten this thing up. All right, so we'll go over to the bench and install one so you can see what it looks like.